Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah and today I'll be doing another Yesstyle haul. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and let's go into the video.
Diamonds, they shimmer, you love it. I'm chaining my bank account back in someday that you're never above it.
So the first item that I want to show you guys is this cute Florally blouse. I don't really have like shirts that are girly, so I decided that I wanted to get a girly shirt because, you know, I feel like this would be for a cute little day or whatever. It's actually better than what I expected. It's also really stretchy. Definitely recommend. Also, I'll be leaving the links for every single item in the description box. I also put a code so you guys can get a discount on your next Yesstyle purchase. So this shirt, you can literally wear it like this or off the shoulders, whatever you think looks cuter, I guess.
My darkest, yeah. And God don't got answers to questions. I'm inching towards ledges, 'cause diamonds, they shimmer, you love.
So the next item I'll be showing you guys is this cute little knit sweater. This is what it looks like. My older sister actually told me that this looks grandma-esque, but in my opinion, no. And then these are the little details on the shirt. So the next item is one of my favorites out of all the things that I got. I do have to say that the button is kind of flimsy. This is the back. It has this little thing on the side. It has really big pockets. The pockets are not fake. These actually cover my whole leg.
Time and time again, repetition, silence wins. Yeah, this blood on them diamonds, why does my diamonds, they shimmer, you love it.
So the other pant that I got, I also love. But of course, the black is the one that I like the most. These are the pants that I got. If you can tell, I already used them. These are so cute, honestly. Haven't gotten a compliment yet, but I don't need compliments.
Cause diamonds, they shimmer, you love it. I'm chaining my bank account, no.
Okay, so the last item, I don't have it with me at the moment because I decided that I was gonna return it since it was sadly too small.
I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side.
Another cute turtleneck that my head barely fits into. I thought my head would fit. I mean, it does fit if I push hard, you know? Because, you know, big brains. Okay, that was not funny. Finally, long sleeves, because usually Yesstyle shirts are all the way down here because I have abnormally long arms. Literally, my arms are longer than my older sister and she's taller than me, so.
It seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright.
Next item is this cute little crop top. It's giving me like student vibes, but like I'm still a student, so you know, yes, I'm not in high school anymore, but I'm still a student and university, okay? Also, sorry I've been gone for I can't speak. Also, sorry I've been gone for like the longest time. I've been super busy. School is killing me. I like work, but it's also killing me. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that I am very busy. I don't see friends. I don't see no one other than the people I have class with and the people that I work with, which I like them. So it's good. But I don't see people other than on the weekend because I don't have time for anything other than school and work. So yeah, I have a tight schedule. So for those people who have been wondering where I've been busy. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that right there. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye.